friends. As you can see, I'm outdoors enjoying the beautiful California spring weather. Today, we are making delicious Korean honey butter chicken wings. As you know, I love chicken. For this recipe, you will need whole chicken wings, honey, unsalted butter, Korean hot pepper paste, garlic cloves, red pepper flakes, water, soy sauce, and brown sugar. You will also need potato starch, all-purpose flour, eggs, crushed peppercorns, baking powder, and kosher salt. Begin by separating the wings from the drums. Now sprinkle on the kosher salt and crushed peppercorns. In a large saucepan, combine all-purpose flour, potato starch, and baking powder. Mix these together. In a mixing bowl, whisk the eggs. Thoroughly coat the chicken with the egg. Place the coated chicken into the flour mixture. Now we are ready to double fry the chicken wings. Fry the chicken at 325 degrees for 5 minutes. Let the chicken rest for 10 minutes. While the chicken is resting, chop the garlic. Now we are ready to make the delicious honey butter sauce. In a large pan over high heat, melt the butter. And saute the chopped garlic. Now add the Korean hot pepper paste, honey. This is how I make raw honey. Soy sauce, brown sugar, red pepper flakes, and water. Continue stirring over high heat until the sauce begins to thicken. You want the sauce to thicken up just a little bit. Fry the chicken a second time at 375 degrees for 5 minutes. Double frying the chicken makes it light and crispy without burning the chicken. And here you have delicious Korean honey butter chicken wings, the bomb. My name is Mai. We hope you enjoy watching the video and get a chance to try the recipe. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe.